Simplot Australia is a family-owned leading Australian food manufacturer, home to iconic brands such as Birdseye, Legos, John West, Lean Cuisine and Quorn. Their unique business includes vegetable, meat and seafood manufacturing operations that supply chilled, frozen and shelf-stable products to Australia's major supermarkets and food service companies. Today we take a look inside Simplot Australia Bathurst operations, where an ABB robotic pick-and-place system is processing frozen fish.
Well, here at the Kelso plant we produce value-added seafood products. Our premium brands are I&J and Birdseye, and we also do vegetable products, also under the Birdseye brand. We've seen a massive OH&S benefit through the implementation and integration of the A&RT robots. We've had a huge reduction in lost time injuries due to manual handling, and the benefits have been huge for the factory. Simplot Kelso has had a great relationship with ABB Robotics over the years. We put in our first system in 2004 and gradually we've progressed with ABB. There's been benefits as far as the people that work here are very familiar with the system and also the reliability of the robotics. So from our process area where our product is frozen, it descends down a spiral freezer along a cross vibration deck and onto a down vibration deck where it meets a speed up belt. The portions are distributed across the product belt, which travels underneath the robot cameras. Each camera targets the portions based on the parameters that are set. The robot then picks up the portions and packs it in a carton that's on the dog chain conveyor. It exits the dog chain conveyor onto a series of 90-degree conveyors and goes through a closer. Once in the closer, the carton is shut and sealed using glue. Once it exits the closer, the cartons hit a turnaround belt where the carton is orientated for the case packer.
A&RT has had a long association with the plant at Simplot Kelso. A&RT was asked to supply a 9-robot ABB picking line with 23 conveyors, line integration to all of the other machinery, and an end-of-line palletizer. Some of the challenges that we faced was fitting all of the equipment into the designated space, technically handling the product at the rates that we were looking at, introducing cartons at up to 120 a minute, and all of the other challenges that come along with doing a project of this size. A&RT reduced the footprint of the line by utilizing compact controllers. We also reduced our standard frame size so that we could fit 9 robots in and still stay within all of the guarding specifications and within the plant designated footprint. A&RT has developed a modular picking design that we can scale up or scale down as a customer needs, and each module is very similar to the next module, making it quite easy for us to deploy a system like this. A&RT Systems utilize the Pickmaster software in rolling out this system. It allows very quick and very flexible integration of robots and conveyors. The system has a capability of packing over 900 pieces a minute when utilizing all 9 robots for packing robots. We have the option to pack or also do quality control with our last robot. A&RT Systems has had a long history with the ABB FlexPicker product, and we feel that we have quite a bit of knowledge in this area and can provide the most experience with the product, particularly when there's multiple robots involved.